Honorable guests, our supportive school officials, headed by our beloved principal, Mrs. Roxanne Jenny Centrena, beloved teachers, fellow graduates, our great parents, friends, a pleasant afternoon. Time flew too fast that we did not notice. It has already been 6 years ago since we set foot in this marvelous school. We were shy, innocent and neophytes then, but now we are about to be graduates of this school. Today, we finish the first stage of our educational career, and at the same time, we begin scaling a higher ladder, which will conduct ourselves in the next 4 years. It is indeed a great honor to be here, standing in front of numerous people as a salutatorian, a symbol of success in my endeavor as an elementary student. Attaining this achievement was not easy. It requires rigid study habits, more efforts, and sacrifices. The road I took seldom taken, but ladies and gentlemen, the result made me different from the rest. Today, I will reap what I have worked from the past 6 years with pride because I know I made it happen. We are very lucky because our parents sacrificed for us in sending us to school. We are very glad and thankful for them for being what and who are we now. Our graduation will prepare us for our future undertakings. It will also enrich us to become better and more responsible as we enter the next ladder of our education. Being a salutatorian is not by chance. Let me quote something about knowledge. According to Chester Fields, knowledge is a comfortable and necessary treatment, and it shelters us in advanced age. And if we do not plant it while young, it will give us no shade when we grow old. Dear fellow graduates, this means that education and knowledge through education will be our armor as we face the next chapter of our lives. Sooner or later, we will face another chapter, high school life, a more complicated adventure that requires powerful minds. I would like to thank people who in one way or another have helped and challenged me to have reached this crown of success. On behalf of our graduating class, we proudly thank everyone who have shared us their wisdom, to our teachers for sharing their best knowledge and unselfish efforts for those 6 years that we stayed with them, to our loving parents who have wholeheartedly sacrificed for us financially and spiritually, to our beloved alma mater, Grants Apostolic Institute, where we stayed for 6 long years. We cannot forget all of you, for you have molded the best way you could. And above all, to God, who gave us life and everything we have, understanding through all our life and through all the years to come. Thank you, and God bless you all.